Well, you probably have seen this kind of photo a lot on social media. This is a simple effect, and yet it's going to make your photo to look more cinematic and studio quality. So the name of this effect is color gel photography, and it is basically two different light sources in different or opposite places, and they do have different colors. And honestly, it looks really amazing every time you're taking a photo with this lighting effect. It's going to look like a studio quality photo. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your regular selfie into something that look like this using a simple prompt in Gemini's Nano Banana. Okay, let's go to Gemini, and after that, you can upload your own photo. Now, there is one recommendation, in my opinion, is you might want to use a photo where you are not smiling. I think it looks better, and if you check some examples on the internet, the subjects are usually not smiling. They do have serious expression, and I think that's the best tone for this particular style. Now, I'm going to be using this photo, so I'll just copy it, and let's paste that into Gemini. And after that, you can insert this prompt. It is a very long prompt, but don't worry, you can check that prompt in the description down below. And let's insert that into Gemini. There is one thing that you need to change, which is the color. So right here on the name of color section, you can specify the colors. It could be red and blue or purple and yellow, etc. It's really up to you. I'm a big fan of red and blue, but this time around I'll try to use something else. So I'm going to use blue and orange. After that, click Tools, click Create Images, and send the message. As usual, the prompt is very long, but I want to make sure that you can get consistent result no matter the photo that you are using. Okay, just wait, and we should be able to see the result in just a few seconds, and there you go. So this is the result. I think it looks amazing. Maybe it's a bit too dark, but that's not a big deal. If you're not quite happy with the result, you can always redo the generation again, and maybe you want to use a different color. So that's basically it. Again, the full prompt is available in the description down below, and if you find this pretty useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.